Sylvia. Welcome to my kitchen creations. We all love a good banana split sundae. On today's episode, we're going to make banana split lush. It has all the same flavors as a banana split, and it is so delicious and perfect for summer. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Start off by greasing a 9 by 13 dish and preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Next, go ahead and melt 1 stick of butter in the microwave. Add your pecan into a large bowl. Crush your graham crackers and measure 2 cups. And add them to your pecans. Add your melted butter and mix that well. Now go ahead and pour it into your baking dish. Press it down into your dish. Now place it in the oven and bake for 15 minutes. This is how it's looking after 15 minutes. Now allow this to cool completely. We're going to make our cheesecake filling. Add your cream cheese into a food processor. Add your powdered sugar. Add your Cool Whip. Place your lid and blend until completely smooth. This is how my cheesecake filling is looking. That looks great. It is nice and creamy. Now pour it over your graham cracker crust. Now spread it evenly all over the crust. It's time to prepare our strawberries. Slice them and place them into a bowl. Next, drain your pineapple and make sure that you drain as much liquid as possible. Now add it to your strawberries and make sure that you mix them really well. Now spread your pineapples and strawberries on top of the cheesecake. Now chop your bananas and place them on top. Now add your Cool Whip. And all your favorite toppings. I like to drizzle some chocolate syrup on mine. And some strawberries. Hello guys, so my messy banana split lush is ready and it looks amazing. This is such a delicious summer dessert. It tastes exactly like a banana split but better, and I cannot wait to enjoy it. That is so delicious. This recipe is a must try. Thank you so much for baking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.